computer vision on the edge, adding sight and being able to, quote, see your environment and being able to act on that environment in particular is something that we think is going to have a dramatic impact. But we're in a world where developing a computer vision application and deploying that application out to the edge, to one of those IoT devices, one of those sensors, it's just too hard. It's been relegated to the world of academics or to specialists in computer vision, but it hasn't been able to get to the average enterprise developer to be able to do good things and do valuable things now. Part of the reason is there's a variety of model development frameworks. I talked about computer vision models and how important they are. There's different frameworks to build those models. And let's say that you've now built a model, but you actually want to build an application leveraging that model. You want to do things like object detection. You want to do object tracking. But the APIs around that and learning the languages and understanding the libraries of computer vision technology just makes that really, really difficult to do. But even if you got through the model development and you got through the application development of a computer vision application, you still need to deploy it out onto a small footprint device, out onto the edge. And that is really, really difficult. So bringing all of this together has proven to be a real challenge for the market and is really a problem that needs to be solved for this to dramatically permeate throughout the enterprise. And this is exactly why alwaysAI exists, and this is exactly what alwaysAI has done. We've taken all that complexity and we've brought it down to 3 simple steps. Number 1, you select a computer vision model. And we've put together in our model catalog open source models that we've basically optimized for our framework. And they help you do all the core simple things that you want to do around object detection or around object counting, object tracking, etc. And that model catalog will continue to grow over time. And again, it's all about providing a model that may not be specifically what you need, but it's going to get you going. But at the same time, if you are a customer or a partner or a developer and you have your own model and you want to deploy that model into our platform, not a problem. We've also got the capability for you to drag and drop that model into our platform and get ready to go. So number 1 is selecting a model. We've made that super easy. Number 2 is build your application. So you now have a model, you want to build a computer vision application. Well, what we've done is brought together really the core computer vision apps into a set of APIs that are really, really easy to use. Whether you're a specialist or whether you're somebody who's got a lot on your plate and you don't have time to specialize in computer vision, we've made it really simple and really easy to get going and to be able to deploy that application. And these include all the core APIs like object detection, object tracking, object counting, pose estimation, facial recognition, those core sets of things that we know most computer vision developers want to do. So you've selected your model, you've built your application, and now you would like to get it onto an edge device. We've also made that process very easy. As long as your end device is an ARM-based device, ARM32 or ARM64, which frankly accounts for the vast majority of IoT endpoints. As long as it's an ARM-based architecture, we can deploy that software, that application onto the edge device. And again, we've made that process incredibly simple. You simply identify the device, you load your application, you deliver that application through Docker, and you're ready to go and ready to start that application live on the edge. So 3 simple steps: load a model, build an application, deploy the application to the edge. All of this happens without any requirement to be tethered to the cloud, without any of the inference actually happening in the cloud. This is happening on the edge, and that's what's so unique about this end-to-end platform that alwaysAI has built. All of this is presented through a really simple interface into the platform, whether it's from our simple command line interface or through our web-enabled dashboard, which enables you to see all of your projects enable you to browse the model catalog, to understand and look at and learn exactly what you need to do through simple how-to documentation and videos. Again, we've brought this all together with the developer in mind and with keeping computer vision as simple and as powerful as possible.